If you think Stoicism is just a dusty philosophy, think again. The Stoics would scoff at your obsession with comfort and convenience. Brace yourself for a journey into discomfort, the Stoics' secret weapon for a life well lived. Once upon a time, in a world filled with chaos and uncertainty, a philosophy was born that would change the way we thought and lived. Picture this. It's the 300 BCE in ancient Athens. The world is a different place. No smartphones, no social media, just the raw, unfiltered essence of life. It's in this backdrop that a new philosophy emerges, one that would later influence some of the greatest minds in history and find relevance even in today's fast-paced, interconnected world. The bustling city of Athens in 300 BC. The atmosphere is filled with intense philosophical discussions, and one man, Zeno of Citium, is about to embark on a journey that will shape the way people think for centuries. Around 304 BC, Zeno went on a trading voyage where he was shipwrecked, in which Zeno lost everything. After this, Zeno wandered about, lost in his thoughts in the lively agora. One day, he has a life-changing meeting with a bookseller. Imagine the scene: dusty scrolls, the smell of knowledge in the air. The bookseller hands Zeno a copy of the teachings of the Cynic philosopher Crates and the Megarian philosopher Stilpo, and that's when sparks fly. Zeno was not just reading, he was swallowing those ancient scrolls. And as he adopted the Stoic mindset, a philosophy began to take shape. A philosophy that would influence emperors, presidents, entrepreneurs, artists, writers, and scholars, and even resonate in our modern, bustling lives. Fast forward to today, and are we not all trying to find our way through the chaos of life? But what if I told you that the same principles Zeno pondered on those ancient streets could be the key to finding calm in our crazy 21st century lives? So buckle up, my friends, before we'll unravel its historical roots, explore its core principles, and even sprinkle in some modern wisdom to make it as relevant as your favorite meme. Hit the like and subscribe button and stick around till the end, because we're about to embark on a journey that might change how you perceive life. Stoicism originated in Athens, Greece, around 300 BCE. It was founded by Zeno of Citium and further developed by other Greek philosophers. Stoicism gets its name from the Stoa Poikile, a painted porch adorned with mythological and historical scenes in Athens. This was the discussion place for Zeno of Citium and his followers. As Athens lost its cultural prominence, the center of Stoic thought shifted to Rome. Roman thinkers such as Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius played key roles in shaping Stoicism, emphasizing ethics and its practical application in everyday life. Stoicism evolved across cultures, spreading through the Roman Empire and influencing the Middle Ages and the Renaissance. Its adaptability is evident as it integrates into diverse religious and spiritual traditions, showcasing its universal appeal. The history of Stoicism is a fascinating journey that spans thousands of years and encompasses various cultures and traditions. By understanding the origins and development of Stoicism, we can appreciate the timeless wisdom and insights that this philosophy offers. Imagine you're gearing up for the ultimate video game of life, and Stoicism hands you the cheat codes. Here's the first power-up: courage. It's not just about physical strength, but facing challenges fearlessly. Stoics, the Spartans of life, confront fears directly, leveling up in personal growth. Now second, justice. It's not the superhero type, but the Stoic superhero type. Imagine a world where things are fair and everyone treats each other with respect and dignity. Stoicism isn't just a philosophy. It's like a plan for a society where everyone acts like a decent superhero. Now third, temperance. It's like being the James Bond of self-control. Stoics are the cool operators, keeping things balanced without going overboard. No excess, no overdoing it, just smooth sailing through life's ups and downs. And now last, meet wisdom, the Gandalf of principles. It's not magic spells, it's about making smart choices. Stoics are like Yodas, using knowledge and experience to navigate the galaxy of life with sound judgments. So, Stoicism isn't just old wisdom, it's the ultimate life hack for today's fast-paced, interconnected world. Boost your courage, fairness, composure and smarts, and see yourself become the hero in life's big adventure. It's more than just a philosophy, it's a game changer. Here are some Stoic practices that offer a roadmap to inner strength, mental resilience, and a profound sense of well-being, transforming life's challenges into opportunities for growth and mastery. First up is the dichotomy of control, the ultimate power-up. Picture this. You're in a game and you've got two buttons, things you can control and things you can't. Stoics hit the right button every time, focusing their energy where it matters, leaving the rest in the no-stress zone. Second, journaling, the Stoics' partner. It's not a regular diary, it's a superhero logbook. Stoics jot down their thoughts, dreams and challenges, turning chaos into clarity. It's like having a personal guide steering you through life's magical maze. Third, premeditatio malorum, the Stoic crystal ball. Before life throws a curveball, Stoics take a sneak peek. It's not pessimism, it's strategic planning. Imagine being the superhero who sees the plot twist before it hits. That's Stoicism in action. Fourth, memento mori, the ultimate reality check. Stoics rock a mental post-it note that says, "You're mortal, dude." It's not gloomy, it's a reminder to savor life's epic moments because, hey, you're not here forever. And last, amor fati, the Stoic dance move. It's not just acceptance, it's embracing the crazy, the good, the bad, all of it. Stoics groove through life, turning every twist and turn into a stylish move. So, there you have it, Stoic practices, the game changers in the grand adventure of life. Ready to level up? Hit those buttons, grab your journal, and dance through the dichotomy of control like a Stoic rock star. Learn about three important Stoics: Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius, advisor Seneca, and teacher Epictetus. Once you discover their wisdom, you might want to follow their lead. First, Marcus Aurelius was a Roman emperor who lived in the 2nd century CE. He is perhaps the best-known Stoic leader in history, known for his Meditations, a collection of personal writings that reflect his Stoic philosophy. Marcus Aurelius's writings emphasize the importance of rationality, courage, and self-control, and his insights into human nature and the human condition continue to inspire people today. Second, Seneca was a Roman statesman and Stoic philosopher who lived in the 1st century CE. He was a tutor and advisor to the Roman Emperor Nero and is known for his Stoic writings, emphasizing the need for self-control, fortitude, and wisdom. Seneca's works have been widely read and studied throughout history, and his insights into human nature and the human condition remain relevant today. Third, Epictetus was a Greek Stoic philosopher who lived in the 1st century CE. He was born into slavery and later gained his freedom, becoming a teacher and philosopher. Epictetus's teachings emphasize the importance of self-control, rationality, and acceptance of one's fate. His works have been influential in the development of Western philosophy and continue to inspire people today. These Stoic giants left a legacy of timeless wisdom, addressing various aspects of life, from resilience and virtue to the nature of happiness and the power of silence. Their teachings continue to inspire and guide individuals in navigating the complexities of the modern world, making Stoicism a relevant and practical philosophy for today's challenges. Stoicism is a practical philosophy that can help individuals deal with modern-day issues. It teaches individuals to focus on what they can control, leading to less anxiety and better resource management. Stoicism also promotes emotional resilience, which is valuable in today's demanding world, and it can improve decision-making, especially in challenging times. By adopting Stoic silence, individuals can improve their communication, collaboration, and self-awareness, ultimately leading to more thoughtful and effective speech. Stoicism also emphasizes the importance of listening, which can help individuals build better relationships and improve their empathy and understanding. Overall, Stoicism provides timeless wisdom that can help individuals become more emotionally resilient, make better decisions, and improve their relationships, both personally and professionally. By applying Stoic principles, professionals can learn to manage stress, overcome challenges, and develop healthier relationships with colleagues. Stoicism also encourages us to view obstacles as opportunities for growth and learning, making it an invaluable tool for navigating the ups and downs of a modern-day career. Here are some resources for further learning about Stoicism. In the grand tapestry of history, Stoicism emerges as a guiding light for modern souls navigating the chaos of the 21st century. From the dusty scrolls of ancient Athens to the bustling streets of today, Stoicism remains a beacon of timeless wisdom. Fueled by the courage of Spartans, the justice of superheroes, the composure of James Bond, and the wisdom of Gandalf, Stoicism isn't just a philosophy, it's a cheat code for life's ultimate game. As we explore its origins in Athens, evolution in Rome, and adaptation across cultures, Stoicism stands as a testament to its universal appeal. The Stoic practices, dichotomy of control, journaling, premeditatio malorum, memento mori, and amor fati, serve as game changers, offering a Stoic rock star's toolkit to navigate life's labyrinth. The legacy of Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius resonates through the ages, their insights into resilience, virtue, and the power of silence echoing in the complexities of the modern world. Stoicism isn't just a historical relic, it's a practical philosophy for today's challenges, providing the keys to managing stress, making wise decisions, and fostering meaningful connections. So, embark on this Stoic journey, armed with the wisdom of the ancients and the tools to thrive in the contemporary chaos.